The number of people getting vaccinated continues to climb in Minnesota, but there is also a recent uptick in cases.
The Department of Health estimates that roughly half of those cases are the newer B.1.1.7 variant first found in the UK. The Minnesota Department of Health reports COVID cases were above 2,000 for 3 days in a row last week. This morning, the numbers did drop, but state officials say there was a technical issue, so not all of the tests were processed. Kate Raddatz shows us why health officials are particularly concerned about children spreading the virus.
Less than a week after the state expanded vaccine eligibility to Minnesotans 16 and older, FEMA announced Monday that St. Paul will host a new federally run vaccination site. The Minnesota State Fairgrounds site will vaccinate over 100,000 people over 8 weeks using Pfizer or Johnson & Johnson shots. Health officials are working quickly to amp up vaccine supply as COVID cases have been creeping up again.
Our hospital right now has got more patients than we've had since, the middle part of the surge.
CentraCare's Dr. George Morris says 70% of their COVID hospital patients right now are below the age of 65.
And this is still something to be worried about.
MDH officials say there have been 752 schools with COVID cases, and they are concerned about the increase in spread among school-aged children and teens, particularly with the B.1.1.7 variant that is more contagious. Dr. Michael Osterholm said Sunday that in-person learning in the state may have to adjust.
All the things that we had planned for about kids in schools with this virus are really no longer applicable. We've got to take a whole new look at this issue.
Right now, experts anticipate it could be late summer when children ages 12 to 15 could be getting a vaccine.
Children under the age of 18 make up more than 20% of the population in the U.S. State health officials are urging families to continue to take precautions.
The concern is, well, what's going to happen 3 months, 6 months from now if we can't get ahead of that spread and ahead of the mutation, the variant change? We're going to fall farther and farther behind.
Kate Raddatz, WCCO 4 News.
Vaccinations at the state fairgrounds will begin next Wednesday, April 14th. The state will prioritize certain zip codes and people with more vulnerabilities.